in a heart. Heart. It's a big problem in a human being. In the family. There are many people that don't succeed. I can't keep asking who wants a car or whoever wants a job. I give people cars. I give them money. People are grateful. Grateful for homes. And their altars are rising at home. There are many people that come here, their things are in darkness. We can't keep speaking on whoever wants a car. Because these things will never make us enter the spiritual realm. Money, the car, the earthly things, they will stay behind in this world. As in the service of women, they are. Let us speak the truth. Without the truth, we'll never build our Father's house. We'll never get married. We'll never get married. The truth does not stay in the suit I'm wearing. An enemy. I'm speaking to everyone that is there. A person's enemy is their heart. A big enemy in the family are hearts. People in the same family, their hearts, they don't want each other. People go to the altar and burn the incense. People are praying in churches, but their hearts don't want each other. Today there are people that are suffering. Their things are standing. Their fathers' hearts and mothers' hearts are standing. There are people amongst you. Today they have something that you have done. When you are sleeping at night, it doesn't come out. Your heart, a heart, is your enemy. As you are here this Thursday, your heart knows where it comes from. What you did. Where did you go? A heart is a person's enemy. In the family, people needed the altar. They burn the incense. They kill a goat. But their hearts are separated. Another doesn't get along with their sister. Another doesn't get along with their husband. But they want luckies and they want luckies. But their hearts, your heart, it knows its case. Everyone that is here, listen, let me tell you the truth. As we are here in this place, Jehovah doesn't see. He doesn't look at how we are dressed. He looks at our hearts. What does your heart have? Many people even now, their things are in darkness. Others have certificates. Others have garments. Their mother's hearts
Secret.
secret. A heart. Your heart. It knows its case. It knows its case. As you are here in this place, your heart is your enemy. Your heart. A person's big enemy is the heart. A big enemy in the family is the heart. Many people don't get along in the family. The problem is from where? The heart. Your enemy. Another says a painful thing. Another lady, when she got here, Father, my things are in darkness. I don't succeed. There's nothing that goes well. Father, may I speak what is in my heart? The Father gave birth to me, slept with me, I got pregnant. I have a child that I got from my father. My things are not going well. Even the child sleeps. Since the situation happened, my heart doesn't have peace. If you sleep with your father, what do you call that thing? Where did it go wrong in the father's house? There are things that are done by people. The problem is at the heart. How do you sleep with your own child? How do you have sex with your own child? The heart. The problem is at the heart. If the heart gets fixed, that's why the Lord in the hill speaking to me. He says your heart. If it doesn't agree, who will agree for it? Your enemy is your heart. As we are here in the streets, there are people that get along with us. Get along with us. Others don't get along with us. Others don't get along with us. The problem is at the heart. A big enemy in the family are hearts. A heart is a thing. Who doesn't know? A person may but the heart is not laughing. The heart. If the heart gets fixed, in South Africa, in Parliament, if the heart gets fixed, stealing in Parliament and stealing in municipality, the heart is not satisfied. It's not even satisfied by a woman. It's not even satisfied by a man. A heart that is not okay. That is not satisfied. It's not satisfied by a heart that is not okay. If your heart is not okay, you can have 2 or 4 men. The problem is in the heart. All of us when we are here, all of us when we are here, take inside your heart. Who wants to fix the heart? Who wants their things to be okay? The Father said I must speak. All of us want to. All of us want to succeed. All of us want to. All of us want work. We all want money. The heart. The one whose heart agrees. If your heart rejects you, who wants success? Who wants luck? Raise up your hands. The one who has light, raise up your hands. Knock, knock. I'm standing at your heart. I'm knocking. The Father is knocking. There is knowledge. There is knowledge. There is knowledge that is rejecting you. I want to fix you, my child. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. The angel is knocking. We are in the service right now. We are brought in this place to fix, so that we raise our Father's homes. Knock, knock, knock. Those who want luckies, those who want blessings, those who want success. The Father says so. Those who want to raise their Father's homes, those who want success. Today in this service, knock, knock, knock. To believe is when your heart agrees. What the heart agrees, your heart must agree. The messenger is speaking. If there's something, I don't want to say what it is. If there's something rejecting you, if there's something rejecting you in your heart, or that happened, and this thing is still rejecting you, please come forward. Come to me right now. If there's something that is there, your heart knows that this thing, Father, I'm asking, may you please cleanse your heart. Please come forward right now. Come forward. If there's something rejecting you in your heart, there's something rejecting you in your heart. No one knows what is rejecting, but your heart knows it. You can see that this thing is coming back. Even when I'm alone, it comes back. If there is something rejecting you, I want to pray with you. We're looking for life. We're looking for the truth. We are looking to build our Father's homes. Even when we are not here, we mustn't be embarrassed. I want to read my Father's words in a hymn. Even you there at home, listen to these words. When the heart is sick, it's painful. When the heart is sick, it's painful. I'm killed by the knowledge of my heart. Let me repeat and read so that they listen carefully. When a heart is sick, nothing goes well. If there's something rejecting you in your heart, you are just like someone killing in stone. When a heart is sick, it's painful. I'm killed by the knowledge. There's this thing. When you are sitting by yourself, it's killing you by yourself, eating you inside, eating you in your heart, even when you are sleeping. They say when the heart is sick, it's painful that much. I'm killed by the knowledge. There are many people that don't succeed. The problem, they're killed by the heart. Many people could have succeeded, even in churches, at the altar. A person goes to the altar. They kneel and burn the incense, but the heart is sick. The brother's heart is sick. The sister's heart is sick. There are people who don't sleep at night. When they wake up, they are killed by the knowledge. The sleepness doesn't come. Another song of my father gave birth to me. Knowledge has left me by my side. A thing that is dangerous even in churches. The heart. That is why I can't close something that is a bad feeling in me. There's someone I'm still going to call. The messenger says, not because I hate them. I want to call them and build them. Because I don't want to sit with something in their heart. Sitting with your sister. In your heart you don't get along. Sitting with your brother. You are sitting with a secret. This thing is eating. There are some things that are eating people in the heart. Another says, in my heart, I will do your word so that I don't wrong. A thing that needs to be cleansed in a human being, it's the heart. When a heart is cleansed, you'll never do sin. You'll never take someone's wife. You'll never take someone's wife. You'll never have. You won't sleep alone. Because the heart, it's the problem.
I'm ready for it.
Let me repeat. Read. When the heart is sick, it's painful that much. I'm killed by the knowledge of my heart. My father's other song says, we want success. We want to succeed in front of this angel. There's no one not doing mistakes. No one. But God, that we came to, when He speaks to us, we must agree with our hearts. We are here today. There are some things that are pressurizing us, makes us not to succeed, that defeats the heart. Each and every one amongst us, the heart knows where it gets defeated. There are some things that you do that are mistakes, not because you want to do so, but your heart is defeating you. If our hearts get fixed, we will all succeed. Even when we are not here, there we are. We will never do wrong. Even our Father's altars, if your hearts get fixed, a heart and a heart that is here, it knows its case. Because you agree, I want to put a hand on you. Don't take it lightly, this service. Don't take it lightly. When you are here, you did not come for yourself. You were brought by your ancestors. You are not the one who agreed. You wouldn't be here. You are a man. You could be sitting. You are beautiful. You could be sitting there as well. But there's your ancestor that says come. There's something that brought you here. Don't take it lightly. Don't take it lightly. As Jehovah speaks, don't look at what another person says. But God speaks to your heart. Your heart. It knows. It knows its case. Knowledge. May you please kneel down so that I put a hand on you. The heart I know. It also troubled me. It also held me. A heart. Many people don't succeed. The problem is the heart. A heart is bad. Who doesn't know it? Let me speak lightly. You see a car. A car. If the engine is well, it goes well on the road. Because the heart of a car is the engine. Your heart is your engine. Your success and your altar and your luckies are sitting in your heart. Your blessing is in your heart. If you agree in your heart, as you agree today, that Lord, the angel of Enqabeni, you can see what is in my heart. I wish to do things, but there's this thing that is there. It's knocking. Even when you are alone. Let me tell you, I know what I'm speaking of. There's something that you can do without liking it. But you do it. I know things like that. I'm from there. When you have done them, now you're embarrassed. I wasn't supposed to do this, but your heart has defeated you. There's no one not doing mistakes. When you agree to your mistakes in God's house, God will remember us. When we become cheeky, for us meeting in this place, there must be something in blessing and raise our father's homes and be men and be free in our hearts. I can see today it's a short service, but it's big in the spiritual realms. If your heart doesn't agree, who will agree for it? Because the killers and the healers, they're in your heart. Bring my anointing oil. You never help us to hide here. But when God can see us, the things that we do when we are not here, when we get here and act as if we are okay, but we are not, we must agree. Lord, I agree. I want success. I want to build my father's home. May you please cleanse me. God will remember you. Maybe today, in this service, there is a big blessing that you will come out of it. A spiritual thing, Father. Doesn't want you to creme it. God is on his own time that he works with. May God bless you in your heart today and cleanse you in your heart. The thing that you came kneeling here forward, my angel must cleanse you. It must bless you. Darkness must move. Light must come in. May God cleanse you inside. All your things must be cleansed. I give you a blessing today. With the service I cleanse you in your heart. The angel must cleanse you, and your ways must be cleansed. I'm not in a hurry. I'm doing what I'm sent to do. May God cleanse you, and my angel must cleanse you. What you agree in your heart, it must move. And darkness must move and light come in. May Jehovah cleanse you. May the Lord cleanse you inside your heart. The thing that you are kneeling here for, Jehovah must remove it amongst you. Whatever it is, He must cleanse your heart and go and succeed. Jehovah, that resurrected me from death, that cleansed me, must also cleanse you in your heart. Cleanse you as you agree. He must cleanse you. Jehovah Almighty must cleanse you. Must cleanse you, and all your things must be cleansed. May Lord cleanse you. Must cleanse you and bless you. The knowledge that is there must be cleansed. The messenger must cleanse you. Must cleanse you. May you be cleansed in your heart. Jehovah must cleanse you. Must cleanse you in your heart. May you defeat the heart. It mustn't do what it likes. I'm blessing you today. Jehovah must cleanse you. Jehovah must cleanse you. Jehovah must cleanse you. May you be cleansed. When your heart is cleansed, may success come upon you. Heart is cleansed when your heart agrees. To believe is when the heart agrees. To believe is when the heart agrees. May God cleanse you. Jehovah must cleanse you. All that is in your heart, that is knowledge, cleanse you in your mind, and cleanse your ways, and bless you. All that you wish, it must happen. We're having another service today. I'm not in a hurry. May God cleanse you. Cleanse you. And your guilty conscience. And your heart. Cleanse you today. And cleanse you. All that is in your heart, Jehovah must bless you. We all want luckies. Let me see those who want luckies. Hands up. Today I'm going to do this service. The Father said I must do this service today. Let me come back this side. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. May God cleanse you in your heart. The thing that you are here for in front, the angel must enter inside you. God bless you. May God cleanse you and give you success and cleanse your heart. May God cleanse you and your guilty conscience and your heart must cleanse. May Jehovah cleanse you. May Jehovah bless you and cleanse your heart, your guilty conscience as well. May success come upon you today.
Oh, Nkosi Yesu nomhlaba. Baba kule nkonzo namhlanje.
Father, in this service today,
uJehova makakuhlanze.
may Jehovah cleanse you
Enhliziyweni yakho.
in your
Lento
heart.
esigcwele phambili.
The thing that you are kneeling for,
Makayashule inkosi enkosini.
God must defeat it. God bless you.
Oh, Baba Nkosi Yesu nomhlaba.
Father, creator of heaven and earth,
uJehova wakho
your Jehovah
obe phambi kwakho.
that you are standing in front of
Makakuhlanze.
must cleanse you.
Nawe lapha ekhaya.
Even you at home,
Nawe lapha ekhaya ongibhekile.
even the one watching me at home,
uNkulunkulu akakuhlanze.
may God cleanse you.
uNkulunkulu makakuhlanze inhliziyo yakho.
May God cleanse your heart,
Akuhlanze.
cleanse you.
Konke okusenhliziyweni.
All that is in your heart,
Impumelelo
success
mayifike ekhaya.
must come upon you.
uJehova akakuhlanze
May Jehovah cleanse you
inhliziyo yakho.
in your heart.
Iphile inhliziyo.
Your heart must live.
Kufuneke zonke into zakho.
Your things must all open up.
Oh, Baba mhlanze Baba.
Father, cleanse them today.
Kufuneke Baba.
Open for them
Enhliziyweni yakho.
in their heart.
Akuqele ngaphambili.
What they kneeling for,
Uyakwazi Baba.
you know it, Father.
Umhlanze.
May you please cleanse them.
Azunembeza kwakhe.
Cleanse our guilty conscience.
Impumelelo ayibephe kwakhe.
May success be upon her.
uNkulunkulu akakuhlanze.
May God cleanse you.
Makakuhlanze.
May He cleanse you.
Makageze inhliziyo
You
yakho.
must cleanse your heart.
Lento oyiguqele
The
ngaphambili.
thing that you are kneeling for,
uNkulunkulu akunikeze yona.
may God give it to you.
uJehova akakuhlanze.
May Jehovah cleanse you.
Zonke izifiso zenhliziyo yakho.
All the wishes of your heart
Mazizephe kwakho.
must come upon you.
Makahlanze.
He must
Lokho
cleanse
okungalungile.
what is bad,
Akuhlanze uJehova.
and Jehovah must cleanse you.
Uluke mpheleliso.
And it must be complete.
Impumelelo mayibephe kwakho.
May success be upon you. God bless you.
Akithi manje uNkulunkulu ufuna sibe abantwana.
God wants us to be children.
Sisithobe.
Humble ourselves.
Awusithobi xa.
You are not humbling yourself to God.
Uyithoba engilosini.
You are humbling yourself to the
Ngoba
angel.
silapha sifuna impumelelo.
We are here, we want
Mina
success.
ngiyaphumelela.
I'm successful.
Ngiyaphumelela.
I'm succeeding.
Ngoba inkinga ekhona kumuntu.
The problem that is in a human being
Inhliziyo.
is the heart.
Kona izwi lethi yakabusisa uNkulunkulu la.
God bless you.
Inhliziyo
The heart
iyakhohlisa.
can make you forget.
Ubani ongayazi.
Who doesn't know it?
Isitha sakho inhliziyo yakho.
Your enemy is your heart.
Isitha esikhulu emndenini zinhliziyo.
A big enemy in the
Ngibona
family is
abantu
the heart.
bexabana bengangenelani.
See people that
Bengamthanda
they
umfwa, bengamthanda udadewabo, bengazwani noma wakhe noma abana baphethwe inhliziyo.
even the mother has a heart problem.
Kusuka enhliziyweni.
The problem is from the heart.
Nakhona emasontweni bona abantu bexabana bengazwani benyanyana.
Hating each other.
Isitha somuntu inhliziyo uNkulunkulu
The enemy of the heart of a person is a heart.
akazunembeza wakho.
May God cleanse your guilty conscience.
Impumelelo kwakho.
Success must be upon you.
Kukhona abantu bakuthi namhlanje.
There are some people today
abazophumelela ngenkosi namhlanje.
that they are going to be successful in today's service.
Ngalesisana ngokufunga kwenhliziyo yakho.
When your hearts are
Ngifuna
bruised,
ukutshela mntanami.
I want to
Lento
tell you,
yenzana awuyenzeli
you are
mina.
not doing it for me.
Uyenzela wena.
You are doing it for
Inhliziyo
yourself
yakho.
and your heart.
uJehova akakuhlanze
May Jehovah cleanse you,
inhliziyo yakho.
your heart,
Nembeza kwakho.
your guilty conscience.
Impumelelo mayihlele phezu kwakho.
Success must be upon you. God bless you.
uNkulunkulu akakuhlanze ukuguqa kwakho.
May God cleanse your kneeling.
Ayikho into esigebengu njengenhliziyo.
There's nothing like a thief like your heart.
Inhliziyo isigebengu.
A heart is a thief.
Umuntu uyacula kanti inhliziyo yakhe iyamlahla.
A person may sin, but then their heart may reject them.
Manje ngenyanga ngiyakunikeza igunya.
May God cleanse you. God must bless you. And your success. Cleanse your heart. There's nothing beautiful like agreeing. God likes people that agree. When God speaks, agree to your mistake. Even your family outside, when you see a mistake, agree to that mistake. Don't see me standing here, I agreed. Let me speak to you a bit. As you see me, I don't have stress. I know stress. Even in marriage, I know stress. Stress is created by a person for not being straight. Your ways can close doors. See, as I'm standing here, I'm not stressed. I'm just straight. Even ancestors, they take they like a person. The one who's against it. The person may sit. Say, but they know there's something inside that is wrong with them. But they carry on and sit down. Seeing as we agreed. May God bless you, my child. Your heart, God must cleanse it today. Whatever it is in your heart, because you agreed in front of God, you are cleansed today. Jehovah says, one who's in prison, one who's even in the heavens they are free. Don't take it lightly, this service. It's yours. Your success is yours. The light is yours today. We are troubled by studying. We are studying God. May Jehovah bless you. Whatever it is that is in your heart, it must be defeated by the angel of the prophet. May you be cleansed, and success must be upon you. May Jehovah cleanse you and cleanse your heart. Success must be upon you. By you agreeing, may you be cleansed. May God cleanse you. What you came here for, Jehovah can see. May He cleanse you and cleanse your ways. May light be upon you and your success.
Oh,
Lord, cleanse them, therefore. They're kneeling in front of you. Cleanse them, Lord. Cleanse them, Father. Cleanse them in their hearts. Cleanse them. Success must be upon her. May Jehovah cleanse you with the service. Success must be upon you, and light must be upon you. May your guiltiness be cleansed. Your things must open up all. Jehovah must be with you. The angel today must be with you. May you be cleansed and success. Your Jehovah that you're in front of must cleanse you in your heart, and all your things must be cleansed. I'm blessing you. Success must be upon you, and peace must be upon you today. Go and be successful. May Jehovah cleanse you by you agreeing in your heart. He must cleanse you and success upon you. The thing that is in your heart must be cleansed. A person, let me speak a bit. A person is blessed by a person. Is also cleansed by a person. May Jehovah cleanse you today. The one I put a hand on you. Put a hand on you. I'm saying today, what you came here in front for, I'm giving you blessing. It must happen inside of you. A person is cleansed by a person. With your belief, Jehovah must cleanse your heart. Knowledge, whatever it is in your heart, success must come. All your thoughts must happen today. God bless you. Cleanse your heart. Success must come upon you. All the wishes of your heart are blessing you. Creator of heaven and earth, may Jehovah cleanse you and cleanse your heart and your guilty conscience. Where is success? May Jehovah cleanse you. The angel must cleanse you. Cleanse your heart and your guilty conscience. Success must be upon you with this prayer. God bless you. May Jehovah bless you in your heart. Success with the service of today and cleanse your guilty conscience. May Jehovah cleanse you Cleanse your heart. The hand of the prophet mustn't move upon you. The hand that I put upon you today, it must not move upon you. In your sleep, my angel must be with you. Wherever you go, I'm blessing you, my child. Wherever you go, the hand that I put on you, it mustn't move. There's nothing nice to put a hand on people without being embarrassed. When I put a hand saying I'm blessing you, I'm putting a hand on you. That doesn't touch anything.